Hey guys, today I'm going to react to the new brawler animation named Trunk. I like this character a lot, and they finally completed the Enchanted Forest trio. First, the Swamp of Love trio, and now this. Ignore that notification. And without a further ado, let's get ready. In three, two, one.
I never felt a love like this. I do anything for just one till I saw your face. What a day without your warm embrace. The darkness in the sky disappeared inside my life won't be the
Oh. Rest in peace, dog. And my mom and little brother were fighting over a homework or something. But the video was romantical and getting serious. And that's it. Thanks for watching.